At the Parking Hotel in Belfast.
It's a very nice lift that you can see.
6.
This is just start filming. Let's go up to floor number 6. See, this is an Otis Gen 2.
Let's get our cab view. It's a nice lift. Hello there.
2008. Hi, there's some very painful hailstones out there.
The weather's bad, you may notice this. Oh, we're stopping.
Massive painful hailstones.
What's the top floor? 6.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. So this is the hotel. And we'll get a wee view out here. So here's some of the rooms. Very nice. Yeah, very lovely. Now, this is some of the rain that you can see out there. Sorry, Francis.
See anything, guys?
No, we'll only just see most of the building. We can't really see very much.
Whoa,
Yeah.
nice carpet.
You've got a nice strappy carpet.
Let's call a lift.
I hope you guys noticed my new video that I made on our gaming channel. If you haven't checked it out, please check out our last video. We're going to put in the description of that video so you can go check it out.
I like that babe.
9 of you have watched the video, but you haven't watched the video.
I wonder what this one comes. Let's see what one comes. Looks like these lifts are busy.
That's good.
Oh, it's this one. Oh, let's take a look at the ferry machines before we go back down. That's that. And we'll get down to a -1.
Doors closing.
So like a -1. Let's go down to the basement.
Capacity in this one, 13 persons and 1,000 kilograms, installed in 2008.
This is a very nice lift.
Basement.
Just like going out of the basement.
Sorry.
Around.
Doors opening.
Nope, you're not going out. I think that's a car park anyway.
Going up.
Yeah, it's a car park anyway.
I don't know if we're supposed to be.
It's okay, it's just a car park.
Let's just get out of here. There's the alarm bell. There's the key thing. Something that requires a
Ground
key.
floor.
There's the Otis logo.
It's very fast.
Doors opening.
Does it do classic level? Look at the wall behind.
And there goes the lift. And this is the lobby of the hotel. As you can see, there's some of the seats there, and this is you can get a good view of the weather. So yeah, that'll be it.